In the days of Noah, the earth was filled with violence, and God decided to cleanse it with a great flood. But he instructed Noah to build an ark, a vessel of salvation amidst the storm. As the waters rose, the ark floated safely, much like coral reefs protect coastlines from raging seas. Just as the ark was a refuge for Noah's family, coral provides shelter for marine life, showcasing God's design in nature. This story reminds us of divine protection and the wisdom in creation, urging us to preserve these natural wonders.